Metric conversions or dimensional analysis or whatever you call it can be kind of tricky. And if you've already had Mrs. David for physical science, you went over this a little bit. And if you have her this year, you're going to see it this year. So let me show you a basic setup for converting something like 3,000 millimeters to meters. Start with what you know. In this case, I have 3,000 millimeters, and I want to convert that into meters. You can always do a nifty setup, something like this. It's like a bunch of fractions, but maybe a little bit easier to read. Always we can look in the caddy corner, that's like sort of down. If our original unit is up, we can do something about millimeters in this box. The reason being, when we go to simplify things, it's sort of like canceling when you reduce fractions. Millimeters is going to cancel with millimeters. So we can put something here that we know about millimeters, and in this case we want our answer to be in meters. So I want to do something I know about millimeters and meters. I'm going to know the millimeters are really tiny and that there are 1,000 of them in 1 meter. When I do this math and I've canceled the millimeters, I'm going to end up with meters as my final answer that's not canceled. And so I know that's going to be the right answer. I just need to do this math. It's like fractions. I have 3,000 times 1 on the top, which is 3,000. And on the bottom, I only have 1,000. If I wanted, I could think of that as a 1. So the math I'm actually doing here is 3,000 divided by 1,000. Look, all these zeros cancel, and I just get 3 over 1, or 3 and meters. So that's how you do a dimensional analysis. You can do great big ones that involve more than one unit conversion, but this is the basic setup.